Welcome to the Automotive and Collision Repair program at Angelo ISD, part of the Transportation, Distribution, and Logistics Career Cluster. This program provides students with hands-on experience in servicing, repairing, and maintaining vehicles, preparing them for a wide range of careers in the automotive industry. Students gain real-world training in all aspects of automotive repair, from learning routine maintenance like oil changes and tire repair to diagnosing complex mechanical issues. They develop the skills necessary to work in a professional auto shop or start their own business.
I got involved in this program because I really like cars, and I noticed that my school had a chance for me to pursue my dream working on cars. When I graduate, I want to go to trade school, and they can teach you about cars further on. You can get certifications if you would like, but you don't have to. It helps you if you do get certifications. It'll put you up higher whenever you try to go for a job. I like figuring out what's wrong with vehicles and working on the engines. It's just more complicated and a lot of taking apart and putting back together.
Collaboration is key in the automotive program. Students work together to diagnose problems, develop solutions, and complete repairs safely and efficiently, skills that are essential for the professional automotive industry. Students can also participate and compete in SkillsUSA, a student organization focused on leadership and technical skills.
If kids are interested on working on cars or automotive, I'd say pursue it. And even if you don't want to pursue automotive further, in this class you should learn the basics of automotive, changing oil, fixing tires, working on brakes, just the basics of automotive so you won't get stranded anywhere.
The Automotive and Collision Repair program at SAISD is about more than just fixing cars. It's about building a future in an industry that keeps the world moving. With hands-on training, industry knowledge, and a passion for vehicles, our students are ready to drive their careers forward.